So when you're pregnant, one of the things that you sometimes can struggle with is energy levels. Sometimes you just don't have any energy, you're not motivated, especially if you're having morning sickness or 9-month sickness, as my sisters like to call it. If you're having that long-term sickness or any sickness, or you're managing a home and a job and maybe there's a toddler around your feet and there's another one in the belly, finding energy to get everything done is a challenge. The good news is aromatherapy and essential oils are here to support you. And I'm going to give you a really simple recipe that's going to help you not only feel energized, but to feel brighter in yourself, to feel more confident, and just to get that zest for life back again. So it's so simple. I'm going to show you how to make it. This is my diffuser blend. My diffuser. If you have a really big room, you might want a bigger diffuser. This is fine for me. So you're going to use 3 drops of 3 different citrus essential oils. You're going to use 3 drops of bergamot to start with, which is beautiful. Bergamot smells like the perfect blend between orange and lime, the fruits. It's beautiful, really nice. Then we're going to use grapefruit. Now grapefruit, if you think of the fruit and the bright pinkness of the flesh, that's exactly how I visualize the essential oil. It's bright, but in a heartwarming way as opposed to a sunshine way, like orange. So orange is bright orange and it just feels like the sun's shining on you. Grapefruit's more, it's citrus, it's uplifting, it's energizing, but it's loving as well. It's a really beautiful essential oil. So 3 drops of grapefruit. So nice. Grapefruit's so nice. And then the last 3 is lemon. The lemon essential oil, it smells exactly as you would expect. It smells like the rind of a lemon. 3 drops of lemon and you have got the best energizing diffusion blend like that really quickly. You cannot forget the recipe. It's 3 drops of each: bergamot, grapefruit and lemon. You diffuse that. Diffuse it for about 20 minutes is loads, but some people I know diffuse it for a lot longer. But just remember, don't do it too late in the day because it's very stimulating and very energizing. So I wouldn't diffuse this after like 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I would diffuse it in the morning, definitely early afternoon around lunchtime, but after 4 I wouldn't diffuse it. Think about it a little bit like coffee. You wouldn't really drink coffee after 3 o'clock or you won't sleep. I wouldn't diffuse this after 4 or so because it is so energizing. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If you want any substitutions, if you don't have any of these oils but you really want to make this blend with what you have, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you have and I will help you. Remember, if there's kids or pets in the house, check if they like it. The kids will tell you if they like it. It's fine around kids, perfectly safe. The pets will just leave the room. So if they don't like it, they'll leave the room. But they should be fine. Pets should be fine with these essential oils. There's nothing in there they don't like. Let me know what you think and let me know if you have any thoughts, comments, or you need any guidance or advice. Don't be shy. Drop me a comment below. Thanks. Take care.